Good morning, this is Burrswood Health and Wellbeing. How can I help you? Certainly. When are you coming back?
Burrswood is for anyone who would really benefit from what we have to offer here, benefit from an experience of our beautiful grounds. Just come and have a cup of tea in the tea room, or maybe just find someone that they can talk to, someone who will listen, someone that's got a bit of time for them, and have that little bit of space just for them. There's something very special about a healing, recovery environment that's in an area of outstanding natural beauty. We're here in Groombridge on the Kent-Sussex borders, and we look over some fantastic views which just give people that opportunity to feel they're in a place that's safe and is a healing environment to be in. One of the things that we realise there's a huge need for is people that perhaps have gone into the acute hospital sector because they've had an operation or a period of illness, or they've had an injury, perhaps they've fallen over, and they no longer really need medical care, but for a whole variety of reasons it isn't okay for them to go straight back to their own home, and they would really benefit from some intensive therapy, which they won't get within the acute hospital setting. So we have 12 beds that are there for people who need nursing care and some intensive therapy, perhaps physiotherapy, occupational therapy, hydrotherapy, perhaps some counselling as well, or they might also benefit from some pastoral care. So it's really that offer of whole person care to help people get back to independent living. We then have a number of other rooms where people can just come and stay, perhaps because they have a need around wanting to see a chaplain. We have something called a ministry package. People who might want to see the counsellor for a counselling, psychotherapy, intensive package, while also benefiting from staying in a different environment. What we also offer is good hospitality, so people will know they don't have to worry about preparing their own food, and they can meet with other people here and enjoy other people's company too. Beyond that, there's those people that also perhaps have been through some kind of a significant event, people that are experiencing loss of some kind, so perhaps a bereavement or redundancy, a relationship breakdown, and need something a little bit more. People can come and just stay for a short-term break when perhaps their own carer has gone away, so what we call respite care. And that means they come here, they can receive carer support as they would do in their own home, but in this kind of environment they can also perhaps have some time with the occupational therapist, can use the hydrotherapy pool, can have some time going to the church services, or getting involved in a whole range of wellbeing activities that we offer here. So always someone that can be around to support and listen.
Prayer ministry is offered freely at Burrswood. People can be prayed for in their rooms when they're staying, either as a patient or a guest. But people can ask for prayer wherever they are, really. That's the beauty of somewhere like Burrswood, and the uniqueness is that because of our spirituality and that being flowing through everything we do, we offer prayer all the time. Well, Burrswood has been rooted in the Anglican Communion, so we are in fact the only church here. The Church of Christ the Healer in Burrswood is the only one within the Anglican Communion worldwide that is dedicated to the healing ministry. So that's very much one of the most important things to us. But going forward, we really want to be open to everyone. We want to be open to all Christians of all denominations, and we want people of other faiths and no faith to come and just to be able to sit in God's presence and to receive spiritually from this place.
It's a very exciting time for us here at Burrswood. We just look at all the potential we have with these beautiful grounds and with the people that are offering services here. A level of compassion and kindness that people talk about as something very, very special. So there's so much that we have to offer. We're looking to increase the range of services, wellbeing activities, social events. We've got a new building that we're looking to open for people who just want some more affordable accommodation, perhaps where they can come with a group of friends from within their church, within their working environment, to have some time out and just enjoy what we offer here at Burrswood. So lots of possibilities.